Hi everyone, I'm Renisha. In this video, we're gonna discuss about routing. So, what is routing? Routing refers how an application responds to the client request. For example, see, here I have given some URL. Based on that URL, some web page has opened. That means my URL is the request and this web page is the response. And this mechanism is called routing. And if you observe carefully in this URL, hyphen problem set, that is called a route. Based on this routes, different pages gonna open. We're gonna move from one page to another page. For example, if I click on status, see, it has moved to another web page, but with the help of routing. See, if you now observe the URL, it have /status. This is the routes. In this video, we're gonna solve a problem with the help of routes. If you have seen my previous video, in that video we have solved a question where if you give a city name as input, then we're gonna get output temperature and location. I mean longitude and latitude. So let us dive to the code. For this, first of all, we have to install some things. We have to install Express, and for that we can write a statement like npm install Express in the terminal. Then Express module gonna install in this folder. So after that we have to create one folder like Express and folder name, and we have to open that folder, and I already done that process. So after this is the folder. With the help of Express, we're gonna use routes, and in routes there will be some things and we have to install. So after opening this folder, first thing we have to do is npm install. Then whatever things that are not installed, it will be installed. After doing these two steps, we're gonna continue with our code. This is the app.js. See, if you observe, there are so many things we have included, and see, these are the routes /users/start. These are the some of the routes, and here I'm using the router as /start. That means if I have entered this /start, then one page gonna open for me, and that is the main page for me. Let us show you what is there in my start. This is a HTML page where it will, and I'm going to find temperature in two ways. If I give a city name, it can give the temperature, or if I give the longitude and latitude values, it will give temperature. Based on these two ways, I'm going to get the temperature value. So for that, first time I'm going to open in an HTML page, I'm asking whether I have to select city or location with the help of geolocation. After that, I have to open a form to enter the city name or longitude latitude values. Based on that values, I have to print the temperature value. See, in start, I have written a code for drop-down box in which they have city form and geolocation form. In city form, they're gonna ask about city name, and geolocation they're gonna ask about location, longitude and latitude. If I go to city form dot, here see, I have taken an input, and I'm going to, if clearly observe, here I have written in action /city. That means I am going to move to the router /city. This is called routing. I am moving from this page to city route, and in that city route I have written the logic for to get the temperature, as I said you, um, uh, and I have written the city route in index.js file. See, and this code is I already explained you previously. If you want, you're gonna check in my previous video. In similar way, if you go to geolocation, and I have taken the input values and I submitted to geolocation route. That means now this information is going to transfer to geolocation route, and this is present in index.js. See, here I am going to now and if you observe in app.js, here see view engine. That means the view page, what the client gonna see as a response, that is in EJS engine. So my output will be present in EJS form, as our input is present in HTML forms and our output present in EJS. So I have written my output in EJS. See, here I wrote something called message. In that message, this message was sent from city route or geolocation route. In that message, I am sending the temperature value. Let me show you. And also one thing, we can also set the port. In www, we have port number. Actually, they have given 3000. We can also change our port number. So let me show you the output. Actually, I said you my starting route is start, so I am giving start. Oh, sorry, I haven't started the localhost. We have to start it. Otherwise, it will say refusing to connect localhost. See, I said you. Now I am going to select city. I am entering Bhimavaram. If you submit, it will give the temperature of the city. Otherwise, if I am again starting it, if you observe in the URLs, the route's gonna change. Geolocation, now it's gonna ask longitude and latitude. After entering and submitting, it will give the temperature in that area. So this is the route. If every time have clicking something, it is going to change the route. Based on this routes, the URL pattern is gonna change. And this is about routes. Thank you.